spending a lot of time in the mountains, and yeah, it's fascinating when you come across them on walks and you can see them foraging away. And yeah, there's nothing better when you've had a day out in the hills and having choughs flying over, calling.
I enjoy bird watching anyway, so I go out usually on my own, and then I just wanted to do more bird watching in my local area, and because I live in the Canedd, I just wanted to find out more about the species around this area.
Wel, mae'n bwysig iawn i pobl lleol mynd allan a darganfod anifeiliaid newydd. Cyn cychwyn yr prentisiaeth yma, do'n i erioed wedi cymryd ystyried yr anifal chyff o gwmpas yr ardaloedd. Mae'n enwedig oherwydd dwi wedi bod o'r ochr Conwy a dwi wedi bod o'r ochr Gwynedd hefyd. Mae'n anifal sydd yn trafeilio trwng y dau, ac o'n i erioed wedi clywed amdano fo.
I just wanted to get involved, basically, and give something back to protect this wonderful, beautiful national park and its environment.
There's been these two about now for about 4 or 5 weeks, but winter time you can get 6, 8 to 10 in a flock feeding down in the valley. Yeah, nice birds to see.
Mae heddiw wedi bod yn boeth hefyd, so roedd yn eitha anodd mynd i fyny i'r mynyddoedd a'r cwmau gwahanol, ond dydw i erioed wedi bod fyny ar blaen, bod o'n ochr Bethesda lle dwi'n gael fy magu. Roedd o'n rili hwyl i mi gael mynd i rwla dwi heb fod o blaen.
Getting involved with Jack and Adrian, it's nice that I've been able to read the rings. Then I've got the history of where they were born and male, female. So that's been the big part of it. That's what I like, finding the history of the birds, you know.
Yeah, it was good to see some choughs. We saw, I think, 23 altogether. And yeah, it was nice to do it with a group of us. And it's really nice to just be out in the landscape, really.